In this video, I am going to discuss about the structure, synthesis and some of the reactions of azepine. Azepine is an unsaturated 7-numbered heterocyclic ring consisting nitrogen as heteroatom at first position. It possesses cyclic planar ring structure and there is 3 double bond present in the ring, and in addition to this 3 double bond there is an unshared pair of electron on nitrogen atom, so it contains 8 pi electron in total, and this system follow the foreign pi electron system and it is considered as an anti-aromatic compound and it does not follow Heckel rule. So it is a non-aromatic compound. These are the various tautomers of azepine: 1 hydrogen azepine, 2 hydrogen azepine, etc. And here the number before the hydrogen indicate the position at which there is a free hydrogen atom. In 1 hydrogen azepine there is a free hydrogen atom on first position, and in 2 hydrogen azepine there is a free hydrogen atom on the second position, and in this way it is named. Now the synthesis. The azepine can be synthesized in various ways. The first one from benzene and ethoxycarbonyl nitrene. Benzene react with ethoxycarbonyl nitrene give N-ethoxycarbonyl 1 hydrogen azepine. Further, it on treatment with the base followed by heating give 1 hydrogen azepine, and which on isomerization give more stable 3 hydrogen azepine. Next one from nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene on treatment with tributyl phosphane undergo deoxygenation and give aryl nitrene. Further nucleophilic addition of alkoxy group to aryl nitrene followed by rearrangement in presence of acid give 2-alkoxy 3-hydrogen azepine. Next one from phenylazide. Phenylazide on heating eliminate nitrogen and the obtained product on treatment with diethylamine give 2-diethylamine 1 hydrogen azepine, which on isomerization give 2-diethylamine 3 hydrogen azepine. Now the various reactions. Azepine undergo interesting chemical reactions. First one, the thermal reactions. 2-methyl N-carboethoxy 1 hydrogen azepine, which is a derivative of azepine, on heating at 200 degrees Celsius give 2-methyl N-phenyl carbamate, and here ring contraction takes place. The next reaction is the photo ring contraction. Azepine undergo ring contraction on photolysis yielding bicyclic compound. For example, 2-methyl N-carbomethoxy 1 hydrogen azepine on photolysis undergo ring contraction to give 2-carbomethoxy 3-methyl 2-aza bicyclo 320 hepta 3,6-di. Next reaction, reduction. 3 hydrogen azepine 2 ons undergo reduction in presence of hydrogen and platinum to give carbolactam. That's all. Thank you.